Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of shaker bottles, specifically the BlenderBottle Strada Shaker Cup Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle with Wire Whisk. Now, if you're in the market for the best shaker bottle metal can offer, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by talking about what sets this shaker bottle apart from the rest. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and keep your drinks at the perfect temperature whether you're hitting the gym or on the go. One of the standout features of the BlenderBottle Strada is its innovative wire whisk. This 316 surgical-grade stainless steel whisk ensures that your supplements and smoothies are perfectly mixed every time, giving you smooth shakes in seconds. But it's not just about functionality. This shaker bottle is also designed with convenience in mind. With a large 24-ounce capacity and interior markings up to 20 ounces, you'll have plenty of room to mix your favorite supplements, meal replacements, or just plain water. Plus, thanks to its double-wall vacuum insulation, your drinks will stay cold for up to 24 hours. And with its ergonomic carry loop, you can take it with you wherever you go with ease. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The BlenderBottle Strada is crafted from BPA and phthalate-free materials, ensuring that it's not only safe for you but also easy to clean. While the cup is hand wash only, the lid is dishwasher safe for added convenience. So, if you're in the market for the best shaker bottle metal has to offer, look no further than the BlenderBottle Strada. With its durable construction, innovative whisk, and convenient features, it's sure to become your new go-to companion for all your mixing needs. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy mixing!